Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can unblock Discord on your school Chromebook. So if you have school Chromebook and you want to run the Discord on it and it's blocked, then I'm going to show you how you can unblock Discord on your school Chromebook. So before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So first of all, open Google Chrome browser on your Chromebook, then click on three dots here as you can see and scroll down, and here you will see more tools, right? Then click on extensions here, and then you're going to click on Chrome Web Store. So if you don't see here, then click on three lines here and you will see open Chrome Web Store. So once you're here, you're going to search for Unblock everything and hit enter, and then scroll down. On the app section you will see this Unblock everything app. Click on it and then simply click on add to Chrome and click on add app, and the app will start downloading here. So once it's installed, you will see this launch app. Simply launch it. Now you can simply search for Discord. Now this time, as you can see, it's not blocked. You can click on login and log in your Discord, and now you can enjoy your Discord server. So hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel.